Lesson 14. Light. Light is of great importance in our daily life. It enables us to see the objects. Even though we do not need light at the daytime, we need light at night. At dark night nothing is visible because there is no light. Light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of vision. Transmission of light. Light is a form of energy which is produced by sources of light. The process of traveling light from one place to another is called transmission of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. The phenomenon of light by which it travels only in straight path is called rectilinear propagation of light. For example, light emitting by the sun, a bulb, a torchlight, etc. Ray and beam of light. The narrow path of light along which it travels is called a ray of light. It is denoted by a straight line with an arrowhead. The collection of rays of light is called the beam of light. A beam of light is of three types. I. Parallel beam. If all the rays of a beam are parallel, then it is called parallel beam of light. 2. Convergent beam. If all the rays of the beam come to a point, then it is called convergent beam. 3. Divergent beam. If all the rays of the beam spread away from each other, then it is called the divergent beam. Pinhole camera. It is the optical device which forms inverted image of the objects. It consists of light-proof box having a small hole at one side through which light is made to pass inside a box where inverted image of the object is formed. It works on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light. Working principle. When the hole is faced towards the object, the light ray from upper part of the object falls on the lower part of screen. Similarly, light from lower part of object falls on upper part of screen. Shadow. Light energy cannot pass through all objects. Some objects allow light to pass through them and some objects block the light. Objects can be classified into three groups depending upon the amount of light they allow to pass through them. They are transparent, translucent and opaque. Transparent objects. Objects which allow light to pass through them easily are known as transparent objects. Such as clear glass, water, air, thin plastic sheet, etc. are transparent objects. Translucent objects. Objects which allow light to pass through them partially but we cannot see clearly are known as translucent objects. Such as greased paper, thin polythene sheet, tracing paper, ground glass, etc. are translucent objects. Opaque objects. Objects which do not allow light to pass through them at all are known as opaque objects. Such as wood, bricks, stone, etc. are opaque objects. Sundial. A sundial is an instrument that shows the time by shadow of a pointer cast by the sun onto a plate marked with the hours of the day.